This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering down and removing batteries. This protects circuits and prevents static damage. Once done, peel back the center sticker to reveal the hidden screw, then remove all 5 screws with a precision driver. Make sure to hold the controller firmly. Apply steady, even pressure so you do not strip heads. As you loosen screws, keep them in order. That way, reassembly is faster. This first step opens the shell and gives you access to the inner clips and cover edges. With screws removed, you focus on clip release. Start at the top seam and insert a plastic spudger. You use plastic so the finish stays intact. Then, work clockwise, gently prying at each clip until you hear a soft click. This tells you the clip has disengaged. Keep the spudger shallow and move incrementally so clips don't snap. Once most clips are free, lift the back cover, just enough to clear the trigger housings and cables. This prevents binding and avoids stressing ribbon connectors. Now you remove the cover completely, but first check for ribbon cables or springs linking the halves. Disconnect them gently to avoid damage. If the cover resists, stop and inspect for a missed screw or an engaged clip. Forcing can break plastic. Once free, note how each part sits so reassembly is easy. To finish, reconnect ribbons, align tabs, snap sides together, and reinstall the 5 screws. If buttons stick after reassembly, reopen and verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.